The Woodlands tree pruning, tree trimming day at the property. They've already started. It looks really good. Got some of the branches off over the driveway and doing some general cleanup. Yeah, so that tree, there was a tree here that was pushing up the deck. So that's gone. That's good. Boy, that's really opened it up.
Yeah, it's open everything.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, maybe clip a little bit, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe clip the top a little bit, a little bit, not too much.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it. It turned out really good. Well, the guys are doing a great job cleaning out the back. They've really opened it up. All I need to do now is get some grass. There was a trampoline right there. Put some new grass in. Power wash for the gazebo, and put mulch in. Over at one of the properties, waiting for the tree trimmers to show up. The main tree to be trimmed is this one hanging over the driveway, or hanging over the street. Do some general cleanup on this pine tree that's possibly touching the roof. And then some work in the backyard. Let me get some of these branches
Limbs, even come to the house, right?
away from the house.
High little bit, right? Okay, Poppy.
Tree trimming is complete. Looks really good. So here's to another day off. See you next time.